travel for work. I'll be gone for 2 weeks. I get to spend my first week in New Jersey doing an installation, and then I'm going from there to Las Vegas for a week to do an installation. So it should be quite an adventure. So I will bring you along in this video, and then I wanted to show you my what I'm doing to set myself up for success, to stay on plan, stay on track while I'm away. So pardon the attire. It is Sunday afternoon and I'm in full comfort. Check out this outfit. I mean, pajama pants that are like 2 sizes too big, and a giant sweatshirt, but comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna start packing up my fuelings and get all planned out. So come with me, let's do this. So in order to make sure that I brought along with me the right amount of fuelings, I decided to do a Ziploc bag for each day that I was gone, and I labeled it with the day of the week. That made it easy for me to think about, what I was going to be doing on each day, and then that helped me to pack things that were appropriate. So days that I was going to be at an airport and in the airplane, I made sure that I packed things that I didn't need to prepare at all, things like bars or the crunchers. I always did a hot chocolate because I managed to find coffee for breakfast everywhere that I was at. And so days that I was going to be on the plane, days I was going to be on a construction site where I wouldn't have access to a microwave or anything else, I made sure that I had bars. I did bring some shakes because I have my shake shaker with me, and that all I just need is water, so that's super simple. And then I also double checked that the hotels that I'm staying in had a microwave, so I did bring some brownies so I could do that for my last fueling at night when I was in my hotel room. I also did do a bag with a couple of extras because girl needs some options in her life, and I was afraid that if I was too planned out, I would get days where I didn't necessarily want what I had in my bag. So I did bring a few extras just to have in the event that I wanted a little variety. Now to figure out how to fit this all in my suitcase. Do you know how challenging it is to pack for 2 weeks in 2 very different climates? It's going to be in like the 60s, 50s and 60s for my first week, and then in the 90s for my second week. So I'm planning a lot of like jeans every day because it's a construction site, but like layers, t-shirts, cardigans, long sleeve shirts, cardigans, so many things. Good morning. It is day 2 of my travel adventures. I am all set up for my day. I've got my Tuesday bag of fuelings all set in my backpack with my shaker bottle so that I can make a shake on the go. Tons of water, and let's see. I'm heading downstairs to get some breakfast. I'm gonna make hot chocolate and coffee for on the road to the job site. So anyway. Day 2, traveling. Day 1 of install, done. My voice is even deep because I'm so tired. I'm currently soaking my feet in a tub of ice water because they're killing me. But I managed to stick to plan all day. So proud of myself. I did add a little bit of extra protein because of the amount of physical activity that I was doing was way more than I normally do. We were all comparing our fitness tracker apps, and I walked just over 4 miles, which I don't normally do. So a lot of walking, and yeah, so we had a nice dinner. I had a steak and some vegetables, and I've got one more fueling left, and I'm gonna go to bed, even though it's like 8 o'clock. But we have another long day ahead of us tomorrow. So anyway, made it through. Grabbed a bar during a lull and install, and always brought my own water with me, water bottles, so that I was constantly drinking water. Good morning from the road. It is Thursday, so I've got my Thursday bag of goodies and about to head out to our job site. I wanted to share with you my favorite travel tool. God, I look really tired because I am. This little guy is a travel frother. How freaking cool is this? So you can just throw it in your bag. I do warn you though, if this is like where you started, I had it in my bag once and the button got pushed, and so it started doing this in my bag, which sounds a little funny. So I usually I keep the box that it came in. This is a little box, I got it from Amazon. And I like disassemble it, take the battery out, and just keep it in this when I go, like when I fly. But for purposes of throwing in my backpack for running to site and stuff, I just keep it here. So anyway, handy dandy little travel frother for my hot chocolate, because I'm gonna head down to our hotel lobby and grab some coffee and make my hot chocolate, and then I'm gonna eat a little bit of scrambled eggs because I've been adding a little bit of extra protein to my diet just because I've been on my feet and walking miles every day, which I don't normally do. So yeah, anyway, this is day, what is it? So it's Thursday, so I've been here since Monday, so day 4. At the airport, headed from New Jersey to Las Vegas for the next install. And this is just, it's so easy to make hot chocolate and even on the go. So I just went and found a coffee kiosk and I got a small coffee in a large cup so that I had room to froth my hot chocolate mixed in there. And then I don't like strong coffee, so that way I could add some water to it to water it down too. So I had my travel frother and I just put it together and made up my hot chocolate. So it's been, I just realized I keep trying to stop it, but I keep saying so at the beginning of all my stories. So I've been trying to stop doing it. Anyway, I am currently in Las Vegas, finished my first week of travel, starting my second week. And I wanted to put all this together for you so you can see how I've been staying on plan while I've been away. I still have another week to go. But some of the things that I wasn't able to record that I wanted to be sure to tell you about was the way that I did my lean and greens. I was with my team from work. There were 4 of us total, and we would go out to dinner every night after we finished our day on the job site. So we were really conscious to pick restaurants that had options that worked for me. So in New Jersey, there's a lot of Italian food, and I'm going to admit that I gave in one night. We went to this crazy cool little Italian joint that was like taking a step into Italy. And like we walked in and they said, "Do you have a reservation?" And we were like, "No." And they like scrambled to find a table for us. And it was like as authentic as it comes. So I did slip and have a little bit of pasta. But the next morning, right back on track. And the whole rest of the trip, every night when we would go out, I would pick something like a really good protein and vegetables. So I had a steak and vegetables one night. I had chicken and vegetables one night. I had a salad one night. Just made sure to ask how they prepared the protein and the vegetables, and if they like sauteed it in butter, I asked them just to steam the vegetables, and for the proteins, just if they could grill it or cook it without extra butter. So that was how we made it through. So I don't have results yet because my scale's at home, and I won't know until I get done with this week, but I'm feeling pretty good. Water has been huge. I've been drinking like water with electrolytes in it just for that added boost. But getting my water in for sure has been really important to me. And especially now that I'm in Las Vegas and it's so dry and really hot, water is going to be very important this week to get through. So Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my week of travels and tips and all the things. I will document this next week and keep you guys posted on that when I get home and have some time to edit everything. But let me know in your comments what your favorite travel hack is and how you stay healthy while traveling, if you do, or if you don't, what's your favorite indulgence while you're traveling? Anyway, thanks for checking out my video this week, and I hope you have a fantastic day and happy travels.